Hey guys, it's Liam from R.V.C Tech, and I'm back with another video. Today, we're unboxing and taking a first look at this smart bracelet, which promises 24/7 health monitoring, multi-sport tracking, long battery life, and even IP68 waterproofing. Let's see what's inside the box and go over its key features. Flipping to the back of the box, we have a list of the key functions of the smart bracelet. You can just pause the video and check them out. Inside the box, we have a user manual, the smart bracelet itself, a charging stand. That's everything you get. Now, let's check out the design. The bracelet looks sleek and minimalistic with a smooth, lightweight build. It's available in rose gold, silver, and black, so you can pick the one that fits your style. The strap feels comfortable, and the aluminum alloy side button adds a premium touch. This smart bracelet comes with a ton of health and fitness features, including 24/7 automatic monitoring of blood oxygen, heart rate and heart rate variability, stress levels, blood pressure, body temperature, 50+ sports modes to track your workouts, 10-day battery life with up to 20 days on standby. IP68 waterproof rating means it can be submerged up to 10 meters for 2 hours. Bluetooth 5.0 support with OTA updates. Works with Android 5.0 Plus and iOS 10.0 Plus. I'll be testing this smart bracelet over the next few weeks to see how well these features actually work. So stay tuned for the full review. That's it for this unboxing and first look. If you're excited for the full review, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. If you have any questions or things you want me to test, drop them in the comments below. If you liked this video, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.